Are you tired of eating ramen noodles every night and dreaming about owning a private island somewhere? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you the lowdown on 7 financial goals that every teenager should have. Whether you want to retire before you hit 30 or you just want to have enough cash to buy that new iPhone, I've got you covered. So grab your pen, grab your notebook, and let's get rich. Now, if you have not yet seen the first part of this video, check it out here where I gave the first 3 goals that every teenager should have for a strong foundation for financial success. Now, they say if you fail to plan, you have planned to fail. We don't want to fail. Creating a budget is an essential financial goal to achieve in your teens. This will help you track your spending and ensure that you're living within your means. Make sure to allocate your income to necessary expenses such as food, rent, transportation, and entertainment. Investing in your future is a great way to set yourself up for long-term financial success. Now, consider investing in a retirement account such as a Roth IRA or just a basic IRA, which will allow you to grow your money tax-free over time. Retirement is closer than you think. Just ask your parents. Building your credit score wisely is another financial foundation that you need to have. Building a strong credit score is crucial for your financial future. A good credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates on loans, credit cards, mortgages, and this can save you a significant amount of money over time. Learning to use credit responsibly as a teenager can set you up for a lifetime of responsible credit use and help avoid debt and financial problems later in life. Before signing up for credit cards, you need to learn all you can about credit, how to pay, and when to pay. I have a very informational video on my channel that you can check out to help you build your credit score. Now, start by making small purchases that you can pay off in full each month, and this will help establish your credit history and increase your credit score. If you can't pay within 10 days, do not use the card. You want to avoid debt at all costs. One of the most important financial goals to achieve in your teens is to avoid debt as much as possible. Now, this means avoiding high interest credit cards and loans that can lead to a cycle of debt. You need to wait as long as you can to make sure you have the cash for most purchases. The next one is to learn to invest wisely. Learning to invest wisely is another important financial goal to achieve in your teens. This means understanding the risks and the rewards of different investment options and making informed decisions. Consider reading books, attending seminars, or seeking advice from a financial advisor. Next, you want to build an emergency fund. This is very important because having an emergency fund is just as having a plan. Now, this fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in case of an unexpected event such as job loss, a medical emergency, a car repair, or anything that you need to do on the fly. It came up unexpectedly. You need to have some money set aside just for that. An emergency fund is important for teenagers to have. Please set up an emergency fund. And finally, you want to give back to the community. Giving back to the community can be a fulfilling and meaningful financial goal for teenagers. This can include volunteering time or donating money to a charity or a cause that you care about. Every teenager, and I repeat, every teenager should sign up to be a volunteer somewhere at some time. At least one day a week or a few hours per week should be spent volunteering. Now, by giving back, teenagers can develop a sense of social responsibility and learn the value of helping others. So there you have it. These are the 7 financial goals that you should aim to achieve in your teens. Remember, it's never too early to start taking control of your finances. Thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.